Very good morning, dear students. Come back to English grammar subject. Okay, as we have already learned about verbs, today we will going to learn about auxiliary verbs. Now, you know what is verb, right? What is verb? So let me tell you, a verb is a word. A verb is a word that show what the subject does, who the subject is, or what the subject has. Okay, now let me give you one example of this. Like Ravi runs across the field. Ravi runs across the field. So in this, who is the subject? Subject is Ravi. Now what is Ravi doing? What he did? What he did? He ran across the field. Run is a verb of this sentence. Okay. Now there is one more verb which is known as auxiliary verb. One more verb which is known as auxiliary verb. Now what is auxiliary verb? See, auxiliary verb are used with main verb to construct the verb phrases. They fall into two groups. Auxiliary verb किसे कहते हैं? जो मेन वर्ब को प्रोटेक्ट करता है, या यू कैन से मेन वर्ब को जॉइन करता है, ठीक है, हेल्प आउट करता है, तो उसे ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब्स कहते हैं. नाउ सेकेंड पॉइंट, ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब इज अ वर्ब विच इज यूज्ड टू एक्सप्रेस मूड और टेंस. ठीक है, ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब उसे कहते हैं जो एक्सप्रेस कर सकता है आपके मूड को और आपके टेंस को, राइट? सो यू कैन से it is a helping verb, and there are two kinds of verb. See, two kinds of verb. There are two kinds in auxiliary verb. One is primary and other is modal. One is primary and second one is modal. Okay, now what is primary auxiliary verb? Let me tell you. See here. As we have seen in a previous chapter, the verb be, have and do and their various form can be used as main verb in the sentence. They also be used as helping verb together with a main verb. They are then called primary auxiliary verb. जो मेन वर्ब को हेल्प आउट करता है, जॉइन करके हम लिखते हैं, उस वर्ब को प्राइमरी ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब कहते हैं. As primary auxiliaries, the verb be, have and do and their various form are used to form a various tense. अलग अलग टेंस में यूज़ करने के लिए हम प्राइमरी ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब जॉइन करते हैं. सी द फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल. See the first example over there. I was playing an interesting game. I was playing an interesting game. Right? Now इसमें मेन वर्ब क्या है इस एग्जाम्पल में? द मेन वर्ब इज प्लेइंग. ओके, द मेन वर्ब इज प्लेइंग. अब ये प्लेइंग को कौन सा वर्ब ज्वाइन कर रहा है? दैट इज वॉज. दैट इज वॉज. राइट? I was playing an interesting game. So was playing is a auxiliary verb. इसमें से मेन वर्ब जो है दैट इज प्लेइंग और उसको हेल्प आउट कौन कर रहा है? was, टू मेक अ कंप्लीट सेंस. ओके, सी there are another example. The twins are driving identical car. तो इसमें मेन वर्ब क्या आ गया? इट्स ड्राइविंग. राइट? इट्स ड्राइविंग. और उसे कौन सा वर्ब हेल्प कर रहा है, जॉइन कर रहा है? आर. सो आर इज ऑक्सिलरी and the main verb is driving. Now second one, to form interrogative sentences. Example, do you wish to see the temple? अब इसमें जो मेन वर्ब है दैट इज विश और इस विश को जो हेल्प आउट कर रहा है दैट इज डू. ओके, डू इज अ ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब एंड विश इज अ मेन वर्ब. Did he give you a telephone number? Again main verb is give और उसे help out कौन कर रहा है? Did. Means that is a auxiliary verb. Now for negative sentence. To form a negative sentence, first example is given. I haven't completed my homework yet, sir. यहाँ पे मेन वर्ब क्या है? completed. ओके, completed इज अ मेन वर्ब एंड haven't उसे कौन हेल्प कर रहा है? haven't. ओके, दैट इज ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब. नाउ सेकेंड वन, शिरीष डजंट प्ले फुटबॉल वेरी वेल. यहाँ पे मेन वर्ब क्या आया? प्ले. और उसे हेल्प आउट कौन सा वर्ड कर रहा है? doesn't. So doesn't is an auxiliary verb. Understood, children? Hope so. Now you all are clear with auxiliary verb, that is primary auxiliary verb. And in second part I will teach you model auxiliary verb. Right? Now there are some exercise over here. See, here is the exercise. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate primary auxiliary verb from the bracket. Even option is given over there. ठीक है, आपको प्राइमरी ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब वहाँ पे लिखना है. तो ये आपको अपने नोटबुक में लिख के लेना है. क्लियर? दिस इज द first part. This is the first part, part 1. Okay, and in part 2 I will teach you model auxiliary verb. Right? Till then, take care, stay safe.